Hello, I am Nimisha Best and welcome back to my channel Padhai Likhai, and today we will be studying a new chapter, Indus Valley Civilization. What does civilization mean? Civilization is a developed stage of human society, a developed form of human society जहाँ पे हर चीज में एडवांसमेंट होगी, be it your economy, craft, tradition, art और production. अब जब हमने पढ़ा था इन प्री हिस्टोरिक पीरियड, इन प्री हिस्टोरिक टाइम, नोमैडिक लाइफ में कोई किसी भी तरह की सेटलमेंट नहीं थी. दे वर नॉट लीडिंग अ सेटल्ड लाइफ. अब सिविलाइजेशन कब आई? इन द ब्रॉन्ज एज. ब्रॉन्ज एज वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज द फर्स्ट सेटल्ड पीरियड. During the Bronze Age, the civilization occurred, or we can say it began near river valleys. उसी तरह ही एक सिविलाइजेशन है इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, जिसको हम हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन भी बोलते हैं, जो इंडस वैली, इंडस रिवर के किनारे सेटल हुई, स्टार्ट हुई. It is located on the plains of Indus River in Pakistan and northwest India. The two important cities of this civilization were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and was discovered in early 1920s. Now let's talk about the features of Indus Valley Civilization. In Indus Valley Civilization, we have found well-planned cities, urban culture, and prosperous economy. Now let's talk about them in details, and the first feature is town planning. The historians have excavated well-planned urban cities, and that too in grid system, which played importance to drainage and hygiene. They have also excavated wide and parallel roads in Mohenjo-daro. The houses were built in such a way that they were protected from noise and thieves. The city is divided into two towns, Upper Town and Lower Town. The Upper Town is consisted of a citadel which is built on a raised ground or highly above from the ground, and common people. It was not made for the common people. It was made for the rulers, and it was made in such a way that it gave protection to people from floods and attackers. And the lower town belonged to the common people, and it was built in the open courtyard. Now let's talk about the second feature of Indus Valley Civilization, that is buildings. Some of the important buildings of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are granaries, assembly hall, and the great bath. Granaries were used to store grains. In Harappa, you can see there are 2 rows, each having 6 granaries used to store grains. And assembly hall was used by rulers for their meetings. And the assembly hall is a large hall consisting 4 walls, or you can say 4 pillars in a row. And the great bath was used for religious purposes. It was made up of beautiful bricks. इसके बीच में एक टैंक होता था, पूल होता था, जिसके चारों ओर रूम्स होते थे, गैलरीज होती थी और 6 एंट्रेंस होती थी. इसका स्ट्रक्चर वाटर टाइप था ताकि ये वाटर होल्ड करके रख सके, और इसका वाटर हम खाली करके उसको दोबारा से रीफिल भी कर सकते थे थ्रू दी वेल्स. Talking about the drainage system, it had a well-planned drainage system. It is said that this civilization consists of world's first sanitization system. The kitchen and bathroom outlets were connected to underground street drains, which were covered with bricks or slabs. Talking about its social life, the Harappan society was divided into various groups such as rulers, merchants, traders, and laborers. The rulers were associated with administration of the city. The merchants were involved in trade, and the laborers were associated with the daily work of the day. Now talking about the 5th feature of the civilization, that is occupation. Agriculture and trade were the most common occupation of this civilization. Apart from agriculture and trade, there were many other occupations such as pottery, metalwork, bead making, weaving, carpenting, etc. The next feature is dress and ornament. People wore cotton garments and clothes. Men and women wore two-piece dresses to cover upper and lower part of their bodies. Ornaments were made of gold, silver, ivory, bones, copper and seashells. The next is artifacts, which includes sculptures, potteries, animal seals and ornaments. The potteries we have discovered potteries with geometric designs and reddish glazed polish. Talking about the sculpture, the famous priest king sculpture was discovered from Mohenjo-daro, and also the bronze dancing girl, the statue of a bronze dancing girl was discovered. In that statue, we can see that her right arm is resting on her hip and left arm is fully heavily bangled. The animal seals were found which were used for trading purposes, and we can see that they are engraved with images of gods and animals like bulls, cow, deer and elephants, but there is no evidence of horse found in animal seals. The next feature is trade. The people of the civilization had trade relations with Mesopotamia, Afghanistan and Persia. The trade was carried by barter system, as there is no evidence of coin in this civilization. The next feature is of religion. It is believed that people of this civilization worshipped Mother Goddess as a sign of fertility. They also worshipped bulls and peepal tree. It is also said that a seal was found in which Lord Shiva was engraved, and that seal was named as Pashupati. And the last feature is script and language. The script of this civilization is pictographic. It shows pictures of birds, animals and other objects and words. The language is yet to be discovered. It is difficult to identify the language because of the difficulty in reading the scripts. Our next topic is decline for this civilization. Many reasons are given for the decline of this civilization. This highly advanced civilization just disappeared in its later years, but there is no fixed reason for the declination of this civilization. But assumptions are made, and those assumptions are epidemics की वजह से, natural calamities की वजह से, एंड ड्राइंग अप ऑफ रिवर्स, नदियाँ वहाँ की सूख गई थी, लैंड इनफर्टाइल हो गई थी, एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस वर अनडेवलप्ड, पीरियोडिक फ्लड्स की वजह से, और कुछ तो ये भी कहते हैं कि इन्वेजन्स या फिर आर्यंस के अटैक की वजह से ये पूरी सिविलाइजेशन डिसअपियर हो गई थी. I hope you like the explanation of this chapter. So please like, subscribe, comment and share. Also, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home.